I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make vegan pesto. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 2 cups of fresh basil leaves, which provide that classic vibrant green color and aroma. We'll also use 1/3 cup of pine nuts for a creamy texture, 2 cloves of garlic for a pungent kick, and half a cup of good quality extra virgin olive oil to bring it all together. Now, let's prepare our ingredients for blending. Start by lightly toasting your 1/3 cup of pine nuts in a dry pan for just a few minutes until fragrant. This really deepens their flavor. Next, peel and roughly chop your 2 garlic cloves. Ensure your 2 cups of basil leaves are washed and completely dry, as excess water can affect the pesto's consistency. Finally, measure out 1/4 cup of nutritional yeast. It's time to bring everything together. Add your 2 cups of fresh basil, 1/3 cup of toasted pine nuts, 2 chopped garlic cloves, and 1/4 cup of nutritional yeast into a food processor. Pulse the mixture several times until it forms a coarse paste. Then, with the processor running, slowly drizzle in half a cup of extra virgin olive oil. Continue blending until your pesto is wonderfully smooth and creamy. Your fresh vegan pesto is ready. To store it, transfer it to an airtight container and it will keep in the refrigerator for up to 5 days. For longer preservation, pour a thin layer of olive oil over the top to prevent oxidation and keep it vibrant. You can also freeze it in ice cube trays for up to 3 months. Enjoy this versatile sauce with pasta, spread it on sandwiches, or use it as a flavorful dip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.